Hey YouTube, it's Alicia here, and I'm coming to show you how to mix a drink. Half of y'all who actually mix drinks, from mixing lemonade to Gatorade to none other mixing your liquor drinks, might not have the alcohol shaker. Now I found a way how to do it. So it is the blender bottle. If you know, the blender bottle comes in two different sizes. It comes in a shorter size and a little size. So I figured out a way to shake up drinks without purchasing a cocktail mixing kit. So I'm going to show you. So what I already have up in here is sugar in the lemonade, and I'm using the lemonade. This is the lemonade bottle. It is lemonade. It's the Country Time lemonade, and it's, let me just put it right here. It is the 1 pound 3 ounce lemonade, and that's already in there. That's amount up in there, and we have a good amount of that up in there. Then you have how much of sugar you want up in there. Then you take a bottle of water and put it up in here, and all you do is just shake it up. Now I think, let me make sure. Yeah, I did. So I'm going to show you how I do this. So I'm going to take the top off, and this is the smaller, as you see, blending bullet. You know, the ones that you make put smoothies in. You get that. You're going to take a bottle of water. Literally, bottle of water. And as I'm doing it, you do that. Put the whole thing, one whole bottle of water in there. Make sure that cap is good and locked down tight. Tighten it real good. Hold it and shake. And you're going to shake it about a couple of times. And you will be through, and you put it in a cup of your choosing and everything. I just found this method to be a little more quicker, safer, and you won't have to go by. And I'm thinking, like, if you have liquor and you want to just shake up your liquor, put your ice in there. Put your ice in there, put the ingredients of your choice, and shake it up. It's much more easier, and it's more efficient for you. And I'm telling you, is no difference between when you make it or not make it. It's just a better way of doing things. All right, y'all. I just gave y'all my drinking hack mixing tip. So, until the end, I'm Alicia. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.